Excuse me. I want to talk to the farmers at the Union Square Greenmarket, but I do not know what to say in English.
Hi, I am Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked through a busy outdoor farmer's market? Fresh apples, warm bread, beautiful flowers everywhere. And wanted to talk to the farmer, but did not know what to say in English? Today, we are going to one of the most famous outdoor markets in the world. The Union Square Greenmarket, right here in New York City. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say at any green market. And you will even learn the magic phrase that makes the farmer choose the sweetest apples in the whole stand just for you. Let us go. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. Today, we are walking through the Union Square Greenmarket in downtown Manhattan, NYC. The Union Square Greenmarket has been here since 1976, and it runs 4 days a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Right in Union Square Park. Local farmers from upstate New York, New Jersey, and the Hudson Valley drive in early in the morning with apples, cheese, fresh bread, flowers, vegetables. Everything is grown or made by them, by hand. So real, friendly, and so photogenic. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, outdoor farmers markets are super popular. People love them because you can talk directly to the farmer, taste samples, and ask questions. So today's English will work everywhere. But the Union Square Greenmarket in NYC is where Hannah will use it. Today, you will meet Hannah, walk through 3 real stands at the Union Square Greenmarket, and learn 5 easy, polite English phrases. By the end, you will sound like a confident, friendly Greenmarket regular. Ready? Let us go. Here are today's 5 key phrases for the Union Square Greenmarket. Repeat each one with me. Slow and clear. Key phrase 1. Could you handpick the sweetest ones for me? Could you handpick the sweetest ones for me? Beautiful. This one is gold. And it is our secret phrase of the day. Handpick means choose by hand, one by one, just for me. Farmers love this question. It shows you trust their expert eye. Key phrase 2. Where is this from? Where is this from? Lovely. At the Union Square Greenmarket, everything is local. So the farmer loves telling you the story of their farm. Key phrase 3. Can I try a sample first? Can I try a sample first? Great. At any green market, samples are free and totally normal. This question is polite, friendly, and shows you are curious. Key phrase 4. What is in season right now? What is in season right now? Perfect. The answer changes every single week. It tells the farmer, I want what is best right now. Key phrase 5. Do you take cash or card? Do you take cash or card? Wonderful. Super important at every market. Most green market stands take cards now, but some smaller ones are still cash only. Asking first saves you from running to a Union Square ATM. These 5 phrases are gold at the Union Square Greenmarket. And at any green market or farmer's market in the world. Now let us see Hannah use them in real Union Square situations. Alright. It is a bright sunny Saturday morning at the Union Square Greenmarket. Hannah walks up to a beautiful apple stand piled high with red, green, and yellow apples. Daniel, the farmer, is sorting apples into wooden crates with a warm, friendly smile.
Good morning. Wow. These apples look incredible. Are they all from your farm?
Good morning, and welcome to the Union Square Greenmarket. Yep, every single apple. We grow them on our family farm 2 hours upstate, in the Hudson Valley. picked yesterday morning.
That is amazing. I want to take some home. But I really want the sweetest ones. Could you handpick the sweetest ones for me?
Oh, absolutely. That is my favorite question of the day. For sweet, you want the Honeycrisp right here on the left. They are the stars of the Union Square Greenmarket this week. Let me pick 6 for you, only the ripest ones.
Thank you so much. And quick one. What is the difference between Honeycrisp and Gala?
Great question. Honeycrisp is sweeter, juicier, and crunchier. Almost like a candy apple. Gala is softer and a little less sweet, great for kids' lunchboxes. Honeycrisp is the one tourists at the Union Square Greenmarket ask for by name.
Honeycrisp it is. 6 of those, please.
Coming right up. And here. Try this slice first. On the house. Welcome to the Greenmarket family.
That is unbelievably sweet. Thank you, Daniel.
Great job, Hannah. Did you catch the magic phrase? Could you handpick the sweetest ones for me? This is the one simple phrase that turns a normal shopping moment into a personal, friendly experience. Handpick means choose by hand, one by one, just for me. Farmers at the Union Square Greenmarket love this question because it shows you trust their expert eye. You can use this same pattern at any farmer's market in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia. Could you handpick the ripest ones for me? For tomatoes or peaches. Could you handpick the smallest ones for me? For cucumbers or zucchini. Could you handpick the freshest ones for me? For herbs or greens. So polite. So natural. And it works every single time. Hannah moves to the next stand at the Union Square Greenmarket. A small wooden table is filled with beautiful wheels of yellow, white, and orange cheese. Connor stands behind the table with a long cheese knife and a warm welcoming smile.
Hi there. Wow, this cheese looks beautiful. Where is this from?
Hi, welcome to the Greenmarket. Everything on this table is from our family dairy farm in upstate New York. About 3 hours from Union Square. The cows, the milk, the cheese. All made by us.
That is incredible. Can I try a sample first? I am not sure which one I like.
Of course. Samples are part of the Union Square Greenmarket experience. Here. Try this one first. It is our cheddar, aged 12 months. Soft, nutty, a little bit sharp at the end.
That is so good. What about the orange one next to it?
That is our smoked Gouda. A Union Square Greenmarket favorite. Try a piece. It is a little smoky, a little sweet.
Oh wow. I think I love them both. Which one goes better with apples?
Honestly? The cheddar. With those Honeycrisp apples you just bought? Perfect Saturday afternoon.
Sold. I will take a small piece of the cheddar, please.
Excellent choice. Cut to your size?
Yes, please. About this much. Thank you, Connor.
2 beautiful phrases there. Where is this from? 3 magic words. At the Union Square Greenmarket, everything is local, so the farmer loves telling you the story of their farm. You will hear from upstate New York, from the Hudson Valley, from a farm in New Jersey. This question opens a real conversation. Not just shopping. Can I try a sample first? At any green market, samples are free and totally normal. This question is polite, friendly, and shows you are curious. Vendors love sharing their products. Tiny pro tip. When you say, "Can I try a sample first?" the word first is the secret. It softly tells the vendor, "I am probably going to buy something. I just want to taste before I choose." It is gentle. It is polite. It works every time at the Union Square Greenmarket. Hannah arrives at a beautiful corner stand with sunflowers, tulips, fresh herbs, and a small basket of warm bread loaves. Lucas, a friendly vendor wearing a small apron, is arranging flowers with a bright welcoming smile.
Hi. Oh my goodness, this stand is beautiful. Quick question. What is in season right now?
Hi there, welcome to the Union Square Greenmarket. Right now, sunflowers are at their absolute peak. Bright, huge, last for almost 2 weeks in water. We also have the very first tulips of the season, and fresh basil and mint that came in this morning from our greenhouse upstate.
Beautiful. I will take 1 bunch of sunflowers, please. And is that bread?
Yes. Fresh sourdough from our wood-fired oven, baked just for the Union Square Greenmarket this morning. Still warm.
Sold. 1 sourdough loaf too, please. Oh. Quick last question. Do you take cash or card?
Both. Cash, all major cards, and we even take EBT here at the Union Square Greenmarket.
Card, please. Here you go.
Perfect. Sunflowers, sourdough. That comes to $19 total.
Here you go. And same question I asked everyone. Could you handpick the freshest sunflowers for me?
Already on it. Pick the brightest 7 myself. Welcome to the Union Square Greenmarket family. See you next Saturday?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Lucas.
Wonderful. Hannah is now walking out of the Union Square Greenmarket with a paper bag full of Honeycrisp apples, beautiful aged cheddar, sunflowers, and warm sourdough bread. Feeling like a real New Yorker on a Saturday morning. What is in season right now? Is the perfect opener at any Greenmarket. Because the answer changes every single week. In April you might hear asparagus and ramps. In July, sweet corn and peaches. In October, Honeycrisp apples and pumpkins. It tells the farmer, "I want what is best right now." And, do you take cash or card? Super important at every market. Most Greenmarket stands take cards now, but some smaller ones are still cash only. Asking first saves you from running to a Union Square ATM. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah walked into the Union Square Greenmarket and walked out with the sweetest Honeycrisp apples in the whole stand. Chosen for her, by the farmer, one by one. Which phrase did she use to make that happen? A. Where is this from? B. Could you handpick the sweetest ones for me? C. What is in season right now? Write A, B, or C in the comments right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any farmer's market visit, especially a Saturday morning at the Union Square Greenmarket in NYC, into a real adventure. Could you handpick the sweetest ones for me? Where is this from? Can I try a sample first? What is in season right now? Do you take cash or card? Remember, farmers at the Union Square Greenmarket and markets everywhere love talking to friendly customers. With these 5 phrases, you do not just shop. You make real, warm connections. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, we are going on a beautiful Saturday picnic in Central Park, right here in NYC. Wait till you hear the one simple phrase Hannah uses to ask a complete stranger to take a perfect photo at the famous Bow Bridge. And end up making a real New York friend in under 1 minute. Trust me, you will use this phrase every time you travel. See you next time. Bye-bye.